Let's talk about BRITA Elemaris cool water filter jug and cartridge, white. Slim, fridge door design with 1.4 liters filtered water capacity, 2.4 liters total capacity, dishwasher safe except lid and with pour-through lid and non-slip base. Meter technology measures your water hardness, volume usage and time for accurate cartridge replacement. Features formula MAXTRA filter cartridge with 25% finer mesh for better reduction of coarse particles, lasts around 1 month. Microcarbon pearls reduce chlorine and organic impurities which affect taste and odor of food and drink. Ion exchange pearls reduce limescale and metals protecting kettles and enhancing flavor and aroma of tea and coffee. After using this for a few weeks we have noticed one problem. After filling the top reserve the cap automatically shuts and you then carry the filter it leaks at the back. This is a design fault as the lid is lower at the back than the front, where the cap is. We have learnt to live with it by leaving it in the sink for a couple of minutes whilst the water filters through. In order to fill the filter completely you need to fill the top reservoir twice as this is a large filter. Just need to remember to start 10 minutes before you need it, other than that it's a great filter. My old jug, same model, still worked fine but the plastic had gone very yellow. It didn't bother me but I thought visitors might look at it and think yuck. I bought the same model as I like the auto opening pour through lid. But oh dear, what a disappointment. The flap over the pouring spout keeps getting stuck shut and water pours out of the sides of the spout instead and all over the worktop. At first I thought the flap was slightly out of position. It clicks onto hinge bar but even making sure it is clicked into position correctly it still gets stuck. I may have to take the flap off completely, or send the jug back. At least my nasty old yellow jug